My name's Danny. I'm in the body shop for Driveline down at London Apprentice. Been in the trade 22 plus years. Yeah, I've seen quite a few changes. I worked for a major Ford dealership. Transit vans were a big thing there, so not too dissimilar for what I'm doing here. So good experience in the commercial side. The things I really enjoy, the passion is getting that vehicle back to the state it should be in. Each stage has got to be to a standard, from the metalwork to the filler work, the profiling up to the primer work, obviously then up to your top coat. Every one is a challenge. I still want it to come out absolutely as good as I can get it. The day you lose the challenge, the day you lose that passion, I think it's a day to hang your guns up and give up. So yeah, it's something over the years, it's self-developed. You can teach the basics, but from then on, it's understanding the paint, understanding the application, understanding the airflow in the spray booth, the temperature. There's all these elements to come in, and it's just getting it absolutely tweaked up so that what you're in there doing, it's hard work and you've got to have an eye for it. But yeah, it can be a pain in the neck, but it's something that is why I do what I do. The body shop is here to support the Driveline customers. It's very customer focused, and it's just to keep the fleet rolling. That's part of the Driveline philosophy. When you come on with Driveline, they got the workshops down there, they got the MOTs, the servicing. We've now got the body shop, so it's everything in-house to keep your vehicle on the road with a minimum of downtime. You know, the way they leave, and that's the job we want to do. Yeah, we don't want reworks, we don't want comebacks, we want it right from the start. There's the customer, there's your vehicle, and they go off, and that's it, job done.